What is good, YouTube? You're tuning to A1 Racing, and I'm back with another video. So this isn't the video I wanted to bring y'all, but I'm not gonna let it hold me down. It's a small thing to a giant. So as y'all see by the title, the clip, I don't know if I'm gonna put the clip in the video yet. I don't know, y'all, but my charger done took a shit on me, bro. I came home last night at like 5:50. It get dark at 6:10. I'm washing my rims at night, clean my rims. This morning, I wake up super early, and oh yeah, we getting straight to the video. Hit that like button. I'm up super early washing my car. I drive my car and wax my car. I ain't did that in like 4-5 months. And mind you, y'all seen in the previous video, my car has been wrecked. Somebody hit my car, y'all. So I haven't been washing my car since then. So we going to a car show, FAMU Homecoming car show. It's Big Wheel car show. I'm cleaning my car, wash, wax, everything, y'all. Get ready to leave. I wanted to leave at 9 o'clock. It is 10:27, so we are an hour and 30 minutes late. Let me cut this air down some, I'm sure y'all hear that air blowing in y'all ear. We already an hour and 30 minutes late, and my cousin pull up. He outside waiting on me. I crank my car up, and we loading up everything. And I go. Luckily, I went in the house to get my charger. When I did that, I'll come back outside. My car was sounding funny. I was gonna pick the camera up and record it, but I didn't have the SIMS card in it. Our older cousin pulled up. We trying to figure out what's wrong with the car. It was a small oil leak, and it sounded like the pulleys was just making a weird noise because of the oil leak. So I'm like, let me just drive it down the road before we take it to Tallahassee. We stay in Panama City Beach, so it's a 2-hour drive. I'm like, I'll drive like 2 minutes down the road and come back, get it up to highway speeds. If it's not leaking, if the sound's gone, we'll take it to Tally. Drive around the neighborhood, get on the highway. I hit like maybe 50, 60 miles per hour. Everything seems fine. We pull up to the yard, pop the hood. My car started smoking, y'all. Hella water was leaking out of the water pump, which I'm assuming is the water pump. I don't have time to fix it. Y'all see I'm fresh. My cousin over here, he fresh. We getting dirty trying to see what's wrong with the car. And I'm just like, this is too much. So I came to the conclusion to just park the car. Now I'm finna come up here and talk to my sponsor, see what kind of cars they got available for me, and we still finna go to Tallahassee. At first I was like, I might just stay home and take my car to the shop, because at first I thought it was an oil leak. We couldn't figure out where it was coming from, but now it's the water pump. I'm not able to drive my car to the shop with it leaking this bad. But y'all know, I fixed the water pump on my Chrysler 300, so I'm gonna try to tackle this job as well, and of course we're gonna make a video with it. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much all I gotta say. It's only 3 minutes. He recorded like a 5-second clip of me pulling the charger back into the yard with it leaking, so don't have much of a video. This not gonna be part of the car show video, because we're gonna make multiple videos. So I probably just when I get to my sponsor, I see what kind of cars they got, and I'll probably just let y'all know what we riding in, yo. But it don't matter what we in unless it's like a Escalade, a Grand Wagoneer. Maybe a Genesis, but it don't matter what we riding in. It's not gonna be as hard as my charger. I got my tents blacked the fuck out. I got beat down in my charger. I'm on big rims. I was going out there to stunt. You see how I'm dressed. I put on the ice when I'm trying to flex my car. I used to like gold jewelry, but I ride chrome rims, so I gotta have the silver jewelry on. Yeah, so not gonna let this get me down. Nobody was home, but luckily my cousin pulled up to ride with me. So we in his Challenger right now, and he's taking me to get another car. So I'll cut the camera back on when we see what we driving to Tally. All right, y'all, so I'm a little dark in here because The window's small, the lighting not good, I don't know. But as y'all probably can't tell, let's see if y'all can tell by the back seat. I need to focus on the road. These motherfuckers driving bikes and shit. I'm in a Camaro, y'all. It's a 2024 Camaro convertible. It got a V6. It was one of the best things my sponsor had at the time. Only issue I'm having with, after I got the car, we ain't leave for like 20 minutes because we can't connect to the radio. We reset the radio. At first it wouldn't let us delete people out of the radio, so we reset the radio. It deleted everybody, and now it's not letting us add it still. So we almost at the house. I'm gonna grab my aux cord, get my water out my charger, and just kiss my car goodbye. I'll probably show y'all the car, show y'all the Camaro also, and we gonna get on down this road. Stay tuned for the next video. Y'all gonna get some big wheel content. At first I was a little nervous because I thought it was 11 to 1, but the car show was 11 to 7. So we gonna get there. We got 5 minutes to spare if we want to be there at 3, but we gonna try to connect to the Bluetooth once we get home as well. Really, we done tried everything with the radio, so at this point we just finna pull the fuse. If that don't work, we gonna pray the aux cord works. If that don't work, we just shit out of luck. We may stop by the store and buy an FM transmitter or radio transmitter, cause we got AirPods. But if we got AirPods, like I don't do one AirPod. I have both of them in my ear at full blast. So if me and my cousin, it's my cousin over here. Y'all probably can't see him because of the light, but if we both got our AirPods in, we can't communicate, we can't talk. Hell, we basically gonna be solo dolo. But we still gonna have to do that if we don't got the radio, cause who finna drive 2 hours with no music? But I'm pulling into my neighborhood, all these bikes. I'll show y'all. It's the Iron Man or something going on. But y'all see we in a Camaro 2024 joint. I'd never buy it. The screen is extremely small, the seat don't go back. We didn't have we had a Challenger, it was red, but the Camaro was the best option. I would have got a Mustang, but we didn't have no Mustangs. But yeah, I'll be back. Started the video, didn't have the lens open, but look at the charger, yo. I cleaned this charger up last night and this morning. My car ain't been this clean in a while, just for the water pump to go out on me. So we got a Camaro. We gonna drop the top and do what we gotta do, but you see it, we're in the Camaro thing. But yeah, let's get this radio situated so we can get down the road. All right, YouTube, so we got the radio working and we figured out how to let the top down. I don't know if I told y'all about the top, but we were struggling with the top, but we figured it out. The radio, we removed the fuse, and the Bluetooth still didn't work, but luckily we got iPhones in here and it's 2 of us, so I connected my phone to the USB. It worked, but then I selected enable wireless CarPlay, and when I hit that, it disappeared. So my cousin, his name Jalen, by the way, y'all seen him earlier, Almighty Still, look him up on SoundCloud. He connected his phone, and I told him not to do USB only, not to do wireless CarPlay, and we still banging with the tunes now, so everything good. I never buy a Camaro, and it's looking like I never buy a convertible, even though I do want like a 72 Impala, 71 Impala Donk. Definitely got to be a hard top. 71 Caprice, I think. 71 Caprice, 71 Impala. But I don't know if y'all can hear the wind noise. That is the back windows. The front windows up, the air is down. Y'all was literally hearing the wind from the back windows. And with the music on, it's not that bad, but when we turn the music down to talk, or just now me trying to make a video, it's very annoying. The road noise is just extremely loud. I don't care for convertibles. I like the race cars, so if I get a convertible, it's gonna be a cruiser. I wouldn't buy no drop top on Camaro or Mustang because I like to go fast in them, and if you flip it, it's not much that's protecting your head, protecting your body. Pretty much the car gonna fall on top of you. But we finna get down through there. I just wanted to pick up the camera and end the video. My charger, y'all seen it. That thing is immaculate, y'all. It's in great condition. Okay, the body is, but it's just the water pump. I'm hoping, hopefully I can figure out where the oil was coming from as well. It's always something, but I pretty much what I was trying to say, I washed the hell out that charger just for me not to take it. If I knew that, if that would have happened yesterday, we would already be in Tallahassee because I would have got my sponsor to give me a car yesterday. I wouldn't have been cleaning my car today, then trying to diagnose the car and going to my sponsor to get it, because it was, I'm not gonna get into details, but I'm gonna just end the video. So I'll see y'all when we get to Tallahassee. Thank you for watching. Y'all hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe, because I'm out. Peace. You think you heard me lock the door?
Well, he can't do nothing.
Why the fuck you walk over here for? You can't walk over. That ain't funny. I think I'm gonna edit all that out. I don't want them to hear daddy phone call.
Cool, am I wrong for that, cuz?
Yeah, you're wrong for saying that.
It took you a while to realize it.
What is good, YouTube? I'm back with a video. Even though it's the same video, I done drove 2 hours to Tallahassee. 2 hours. We get here, we looking for the car show. I'm like, okay, maybe it's on the other side of the parking lot. Get to the other side, we see a big rims, nice cars getting cleaned. No car show. My cousin pull up the flyer. The car show is tomorrow on Sunday, the 3rd. Today is the 2nd, Saturday. So we done came all the way up here for no reason, y'all. I ain't tripping. I went to AutoZone and bought my water pump. I bought 2 gallons of coolant, and I bought some brake cleaner. First thing in the morning, I'm gonna try to fix my charger, and just hopefully, while I got the water pump pulled off and the pulleys of the belt, I can figure out where the oil was leaking from as well. So I'll probably make a video on that, on teaching y'all how to change your Dodge Charger, Challenger, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler on the 5.7 Hemi water pump. So we waiting on some chicken. I go to church. I ain't gonna say I go to Churchies a lot, but these past like 2 months I've been going like every other weekend, and my back is getting big. Even though my back ain't getting big, one of my older cousins who ain't seen me in a while, he seen me today and said I'm getting skinny. So I must be doing something right. But I come to Churchies. You want to tell them what I got?
You got a 10-piece chicken, all thighs.
All thighs.
Oh, God.
And that's just for me. He had a separate order. He got like a number 3 combo, some simple ass shit. Even though I ain't gonna say simple, because he got sides and a drink. All I got was 10-piece all thighs. Ain't no simpler than that. But yeah, that's just for me. But I'm not finna just eat it in one sitting. I'm really, because we ate on the way up here, not really hungry. And I told him he ain't have to get nothing from Churchies. We could have stopped somewhere else. But I may just taste it while it's fresh, even though we waiting for hot chicken, so that shit gonna burn my lips. But I'll probably taste it, go home, probably start drinking, talk to my girl, and then I'll probably bust open the chicken, throw it in the oven or some more grease to get it crispy again. But yeah, man. Y'all see the ice? I need to clean my second chain. On this camera, it looked good. The big chain. But when I recorded on Snap and zoomed in, the big chain was like off colored and a different color than the small one. The small one is new. The big one, I done had it for a few months. But yeah, just really wanted to pick the camera back up and extend this video pretty much, because I'm not gonna record nothing else. I would say I'll do a car review on the Camaro when I get home, but it's probably gonna be like 6 o'clock by the time we get home, and we gotta go pick his car up also. So I'm sure it's gonna be dark. I could stop somewhere in Tallahassee and record a video, but I need some lotion over here. But I could stop in Tallahassee and record a video on the Camaro, but I'd rather do it around my home city, so somewhere I know that's where I'm pretty much comfortable at. My skin tone is black. I love black folks, but it's just too many damn niggas around here. Excuse my language. This video probably gonna get demonetized. That's busting. He said you can go get a refill, cuz, while we waiting. Ooh, I know y'all seen that glisten. Y'all seen it. I know y'all seen it. I can't get it to happen again. But y'all have seen it, cuz. It's like a shooting star in my ear. But, yeah. I'm lost for words and I don't got nothing to say. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and end this video for real this time. We got 6 minutes more footage. So, yeah. Low-key was going to drop the top to show y'all we is in the drop top. But I don't want to do that in the drive-thru. We had to let it up in the drive-thru because we got to sit and wait for some chicken and it's just too hot outside. So, shit. Hope everybody having a great weekend. I hope everybody have a good week coming up. I may have y'all some content. Sound like they're arguing back there. Look how small that back window is in this Camaro, bro. Like, this shit just too small. But the camera quality is decent. They probably see me recording them because we in a fishbowl. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, I guess. May turn it back on when we get to the gas station. I'm probably turn it back on when we get to the gas station. So wait till we get to the gas station and I'll show y'all the Camaro with the top down. I'll see y'all then. You see we out here with the Camaro. Something slight, nothing too serious. It's a V6, it's all my sponsor had, but it's better than nothing, shit. You got any words to say to the camera, brother? You got any words to say? Your face fucking shining like a motherfucker. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the car before I end the video. Y'all hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe, because I'm out. Peace. Only $22 in gas, and that was a half a tank, so I think this thing could fill up with like $44. I'm out.